look air guns. It has been a couple of weeks. Something exciting has happened. But as you do every month, it is now 4:10 in the morning. We are off to Furness Mill for rounds 4 and 5 of the UKAHFT, which is just outside Kidderminster, in a wooded area there. Lovely place, nice fishery as well from what I can see. Normally keep thinking about bringing my rods with me one year, but I never do. So yeah, as always, just get to the old gas station, get some diesel and hit the road. See you guys when we get there. Rightio, so we're here for round 4, day 1 at Furness Mill. Back here tomorrow. It's going to be a wet one today. It's a very wet window. So that's why you always pack your waterproof, so you never know. So let's get kitted out, get the wellies on, get your waters on, and get the gun out, ready to play. See you out on course. Well, that's round 4 done, day 1 at Furness Mill. As you can probably hear, it's still bucketing it down out there. Terrible weather, terrible conditions, terrible score. Thankfully, you can scrap a 2 or 3 days. This one's being scrapped, I think. Hopefully the weather's better tomorrow. Now it's time to get to the hotel and dry it all off, shall we? Dry my kit off. See you in the morning. Good morning! Day 2, round 5 at Furness Mill. Let's crack open a tinny of Monster. Now before we leave, I've made a few changes to the rifle last night. I've actually put a hamster on it now, so I'll see if that makes a difference. Oh, I've been out that rain, it's made me all the fun. So we are just yeah, head to the range now at Furness Mill, which is 20 minutes up the road from here, from the hotel. Stay this barnet, Christ almighty. Yeah, so let's head back to Furness Mill. I'll see you guys there. There we go, nice and quick, 20 minutes from the hotel from here. All parked up, let's go check in and get ready for today, shall we? Happy days. 5 done. Didn't get a chance to take a picture of my scorecard, but today was better than yesterday. Still not great. I pulled a big steep hill. I got a 38 today. Not fantastic still, but sticking the hamster on has most certainly made a difference. It's now just practicing with the hamster. So yeah, that's a lovely weekend done. Next up we have, I believe it's Malden District, so mad, that's a double header as well. So a double feature once again. So thanks you for watching, and I will see you all guys very soon. Bye bye for now.